Xiaomi is growing every day, every second. We change and evolve together.
Xiaomi is all of us. It's you, me, and them.
Xiaomi is the daughter who builds a home for her family.
The man who dares to dream.
And never stops dreaming.
The woman who would stop at nothing.
Xiaomi is the man who treats his team as a family. The father who hustles to give his children a better life.
The sister who makes sure nothing comes in the way of her brother's future.
A voice among millions, but now a spokesperson for thousands. We are a movement. We are one big family, supporting each other and bringing smiles to faces.
This family is not only changing their own lives, but also the lives of millions every day. And we are proud to say that this family is now 50,000 strong. Bigger together, better together.